This is a 8th video series of entity framework. In this video, I will show you how to use a dynamic data functionality to format and validate data. Dynamic data functionality can provide us following benefit like fields are automatically formatted for display based on their data type. Fields are automatically validated based on their data type. We can add metadata to the data model to customize formatting and validation behavior. When we do this, we can add the formatting and validation rules in just one place, and they are automatically applied everywhere, and we can access the field using dynamic data control. So let me show you how to do this. So switch in our student page, go to the source code, and here we have our grid view, and here in a grid view we are going to here. First I want to change a name here, let's say name, and here I'm going to change, let's say, the last name. And here instead of text box I am going to use a dynamic control. Okay. Also here need okay, great. And here I am going to use a data field. And here I don't need this one. And also I don't need this one. That's great. Let me copy and paste this stuff here. And for also label we are going to doing the same thing. Okay. And also for a data field here here also I want to set a mode, edit, here also want to set a mode, edit, and for a label we want to set a mode equal to read only. Okay. And here we don't need this one. Let's delete here. Dynamic field, and also need here a data field. Name of the data field is enrollment date. And here I want to define another control called a validation summary. ID student summary net silver and so summary equal to true, and display mode equal to bullet list, and style. Right. Now we can go here and I want to write a int method. Method and will be view dot enable dynamic data, and here type of student. Okay, now let's run this page. Oh, it's just a spelling error. Now it should work. Okay, so here you can see in enrollment date column time is displayed along with date because the property type is date time. We will fix this later, and let me show you. Try to update. So here you can see this property cannot be set to null value, so it's display a message. So dynamic data automatically provide a basic validation. Dynamic data automatically make this required field because the value is not nullable in data model. Here you can also see, and let me try with, let's say 50. Yes, also you can see a value is not valid. So let's move on. Typically we want to customize the functionality provided by dynamic data. For example, we might change how data is displayed and content of error messages. We also want to customize a data validation rule to provide more functionality than what a dynamic data provides automatically based on data type. To do this, we can create a partial class that corresponds to entity type. So first I want to add a reference. I want to add this system component model data environment. Okay, and let's switch here. I want to add one class. Let's add first class. Called student. Here I want to add some name tags. System component model. Here the class is partial. Here we want a metadata type of student metadata. Okay. And here I want a class for student metadata. First I want to display format, data formatting string is equal to read. And here we want to apply format edit mode is equal to true. Okay. And let's say time format get. Want to set getter setter. So now enrollment date is display only date. Now let's move on. And string length, we are specifying a 25. Let's say error message is equal to first name must be 25 characters or yes in length. Required error message first name is required. Click link first with name set a getter and setter. So now we can do a same thing for a last name. So here you can just say last name. Last name is required. Here last name. So here we are doing a validation for a first name and for a last name. So here we can say if a first name is more than 25 characters, then we are giving a error message here. First name must be a 25 character or less in length, and here a first name is required, and also we are doing the same thing for a last name. So now we can go ahead and run this page. So let's do it. So you can see here enrollment date. Now it's show only a date. Let's try to edit. Try to update. You can see here a last name is required, first name is required. Let me try. Now you can see a first name is required. Typed. Okay, successful. Let's try another thing. Let's say first name is more than 5. Now let's try. Here you can see we got a message. Last name must be a 25 character or less in length. If deleting all this stuff, and now I am able to update. We have set up these formatting and validation rules in the data model metadata. The rules will automatically be applied on every page that display or allow change to these fields, so long as you use a dynamic control or dynamic field control. This reduces the amount of detection code you have to write, which makes programming and testing easier, and it ensures that data formatting and validation are constant throughout an application. Thanks for watching this video.